Good morning children. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. This is our science tutorial class. Okay. So look at the picture given here. I am showing you some pictures. This one and this one and this one. Okay. Let me ask you some questions regarding these pictures. Right. So in the picture number 1, what the lady is doing? Yes, she is smiling. Okay. And in the next picture, the boy is also smiling. He is smiling quietly. Right. And in the third picture, the girl is taking selfie. But no smile is there. So, can you tell me the similarities in among all the pictures? Yes, the lady and the boy both are smiling, but the boy has fallen down his one tooth and the lady has smiling without teeth. Okay, she hasn't any teeth. So children, do you know we are discussing about teeth? So our today's topic or today's chapter is chapter number 3, that is teeth talk. Right? So in this chapter we will learn the different set of teeth that grow in a human and different parts and layers of a tooth, and teeth are important and require proper care. Fine. So let's start our topic. At first, let's do the introduction of the teeth. Here you can see point number 1. Clean and well-kept teeth make our smile beautiful. Fine. If you have neat and clean teeth, our smile looks very beautiful. And point number 2 is they give proper shape to our face. If a old man or old lady has no teeth, then they look very different to comparison to that person who has teeth. So the teeth gives us a proper shape of our face, a proper shape to our face. Okay. Now next one is teeth help us to speak clearly. You know, whenever we talk something, we need teeth in our mouth. That's why we can speak clearly. Okay. And the most important thing is they enable us to bite and chew food, which makes digestion easy. Fine. It means that teeth in the mouth help us break down or chew food, and teeth are a very important part of the digestion system. Right? You know, this point is very important. The digestion of food begins with the biting and chewing of the food. Fine. So teeth are present on the jaw. We know teeth are present on the jaw, the upper jaw and the lower jaw. Thus, teeth are important part of our body. Right? You can see here here are two sets of teeth. So the first one is milk teeth. These are milk teeth. And the another one is, these are permanent teeth. Okay, these are milk teeth and these are permanent teeth. You can see here in the upper jaw and lower jaw, this is upper jaw, and this is lower jaw. This is lower jaw. In the permanent teeth, this is upper jaw and this is lower jaw. And just count milk teeth. Milk teeth also known as temporary teeth, because these teeth fall down and grows another one and becomes the permanent teeth. So here 10 is in upper jaw and 10 is lower jaws, and here 16 is in upper jaw and 16 is in lower jaws. So we have 20 milk teeth or temporary teeth and 32 permanent teeth, right? Here you can see two sets of teeth. A newborn baby has no teeth. You may know that when a baby is born, he or she has no teeth. Baby gets her first tooth when she gets about 6 months old. You can see here a small baby is here. So when a baby gets about 6 months old, she or he gets their first tooth, right? And by the time she is 2.5 years old, she has 20 teeth, right? When a child passed complete his 2.5 years, okay, he is 2 plus. So in that time, the children have 20 teeth in their mouth. These teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth, right? These 20 teeth are called milk teeth, and you can see here milk teeth and temporary teeth, right? So if I'll ask the question that what are milk teeth? So you can simply say that when a baby is 2.5 years old and more than 2.5 years old, that is 3-4 years old, he has 20 teeth, right? He or she has 20 teeth. These teeth are known as milk teeth, and we can say the another name of milk teeth is temporary teeth, right? Okay, look at this picture. The baby has fallen down his one tooth, one or two teeth. Okay, between the age, we are discussing about two sets of teeth. So look at here, between the age of 6, okay, between the age of 6 and 12, the milk teeth fall out one by one and new one grow in their place. You may seen in your neighborhood, your elders one, your small brother and sister, when they have completed 6 to 12, between the age of 6 and 12, your classmates also, the milk teeth fall out one by one and grown new teeth, okay, in their place. This new set consists of 32 teeth, out of which 16 are in upper jaw and 16 are in lower jaw. These are called permanent teeth, right? So what are permanent teeth? When the age of 6 and 12, the milk teeth fall out. When the age of 6 or 12, the milk teeth fall out one by one and new one grow in their places. So the new set consists of 32 teeth, 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. These sets of teeth are known as the permanent teeth. Now, let's talk about types of teeth. You can see here the clear picture of types of teeth, right? So here you can see two jaws are there. This is upper jaw and this is lower jaw. In the upper jaw and lower jaw, in the middle part, there are incisors. We know four types of teeth are there. Incisor number 1 and canine number 2 and premolars number 3 and molars number 4. So, four types of teeth are there. Incisor, fine. So, here four set of incisors are here. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaws. And canines, beside incisor, you can see canines, and beside canine you can see premolars, two premolars in upper jaws and lower jaws, and after that the last one is molars. Fine. So children, you know here types of teeth. Incisor, the first one is incisor. Let's talk about incisor. The sharp teeth located in the front of the jaw, look at this, front of the jaw, are called incisors. There are 8 incisors, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaws. Fine, lower jaw. So, total 8 incisors are there. 4 are present in each jaw. Fine. Incisors are used for cutting or biting the food. You know, these are used for cutting and biting. Cutting and biting the food, right? So, let's talk about number 2. These are canines. Fine. So, number 2, these are canines. CANINES. So, here the pointed teeth located on either side of the incisor are called canines. Look at this. Either side of incisors. Here canine and here canines. They are 4 in numbers. Fine. So 1, 2. Left and right side in the lower jaw and in upper jaw. 2 to 4 in numbers. 2 in each jaw. Right. These teeth are sharp and pointed. These teeth are sharp and pointed. Fine. These teeth are sharp and pointed and they are used for tearing the food. Okay? They are used to tearing the food. Okay? these canines are used to tearing the food, right? So let's talk about another one. This is premolars. Okay, so here you can see premolars. These are the third number. Fine. So you can see here premolars. Okay. So flat and broad teeth next to the canines are called premolars. These are flat and broad. And next to the canines, first incisors, second canine, and next to the canine, these are premolars. Here in upper jaw and here in lower jaw, you can see premolars. There are 8 premolars, 4 in upper jaws and 4 in lower jaws. These are 8 premolars, right? They help in crushing and chewing the food. Their work is crushing and chewing the food. Okay, it helps us to crush and chew the food. So these are known as premolars, right? So children, let's talk about the fourth number, the fourth types of teeth, that is molars. Okay, molars. So what are molars? Broader and bigger teeth located next to the premolars. Look at here. These teeth are located next. These are premolars. Next to the premolars, these are molars. You can see here premolars next to the premolars. These are molars. Okay. So these are located in the end of our mouth, right? And corner of our mouth. Okay. They help in grinding and chewing the food. They help us in grinding and chewing the food. Fine. Chewing the food. There are 12 molars, 12. There are 12 molars. There are 12 molars. 6 in each jaw. 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. Right? So these are 12 molars. The third pair of molar are also known as wisdom tooth. At the corner, the third pair of molar is also known as wisdom tooth. Okay, it is also known as wisdom tooth, and they grow very late. Okay, wisdom tooth grow very late. So children, today we have learnt about the structure of tooth, the two sets of teeth and types of teeth. Okay, so next we will learn parts of a tooth and layers of a tooth. Right. So just revise your work which I have taught you today, and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask anything. Right? You can ask anything in the Zoom classes also. related to the topic, right?